Hong Kong, China drew over $17 billion in orders for a sovereign dollar bond sale of $3 billion on Thursday against a backdrop of a global market sell-off and trade war with the United States. The $3 billion deal is only the third U.S. dollar-denominated issuance by China in the last 14 years. It returned to global markets in October last year for the first time since 2004. China is selling 5-year, 10-year and 30-year bonds at 30 to 35, 45 to 50, 70 to 75 basis points BPS over U.S. Treasuries, respectively, according to a term sheet seen by Reuters. The final pricing is expected later on Thursday. That compared to an initial guidance of 50 bits per second, 65 bits per second and 90 bits per second for the 5, 10, and 30-year tranches, respectively, showing healthy investor demand despite the global market rout that followed Wall Street's worst losses in 8 months. Investors put in over $17 billion of orders, the term sheet showed, well in excess of what was on offer. The backdrop to the bond sale is very different to last year, with China locked in a trade war with the United States in which neither side is showing any sign of backing down and tariffs imposed on billions of dollars of each other's goods. Last year's $2 billion bond sale was priced very tightly, with the 10-year tranche coming in at 25 bits per second over U.S. Treasuries. Spreads between the Chinese 10-year benchmark and U.S. 10-year treasuries stood at 44 bits per second on Thursday. China hired 12 banks including Bank of China, China Construction Bank, Deutsche Bank, Goldman Sachs, HSBC and J.P. Morgan for the deal. Google tried to change China, but China may change ITBRI. A Made in China, Made for China initiative. U.S. official BMW plans to take control of China joint venture. Trump and China headed for a double-barreled war. Human rights situation dire in China. U.S. Congress commenting feature is disabled in your country, region.